Introducing the XLeRobot, an affordable, mobile, and versatile robotic arm solution. In the world of robotics, finding an affordable yet capable platform can be a challenge. But here's a game changer. The XLeRobot, a project that combines ingenuity and accessibility. The problem? A lack of affordable, mobile robotic arms. There are numerous open-source robotic arm projects, but stable and mobile platforms often come with a hefty price tag. This is where XLeRobot steps in, offering a unique and cost-effective solution. XLeRobot, a clever design by Wang. Designed with practicality in mind, XLeRobot utilizes easily accessible components. The main frame is an IKEA cart with stacked shelves, providing a sturdy base. The top end houses dual arms and a central head, leaving space for storage or carrying objects. But here's where it gets interesting. The bottom of the cart is transformed into a three-wheeled motion unit. These omnidirectional wheels offer stability and agility, allowing the robot to move in any direction effortlessly. And the best part? No drilling required due to the cart's metal mesh shelves. Accessibility and usability. XLeRobot's design is not just clever, it's also incredibly accessible. With a focus on 3D printing and open-source software, the costs are kept low, making it an affordable option for hobbyists. Despite its affordability, it's big enough to navigate indoor environments and perform useful tasks. Experience XLeRobot virtually. If you're eager to explore XLeRobot but don't want to build one yet, you're in luck. You can pilot a simulated XLeRobot in VR. With Ubuntu and a Quest 3, you can be immersed in the experience within minutes. Dive deeper, build and design insights. For those eager to understand the inner workings, a build video is available, offering a detailed look at the construction process. And this is the part most people miss. The true beauty of XLeRobot lies in its ability to bridge the gap between affordability and functionality. It's a perfect example of how innovative thinking and open-source collaboration can lead to remarkable solutions. So what do you think? Is XLeRobot a game changer for the robotics community? We'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments below.